Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. Begin by opening Tab menu. Following that, look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Close in this pop-up in order to disable location. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my ZTE is now off. But you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!